Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by UNice. Shout out to UNice for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I'm just showing you guys what all came in the packaging, and I think they somehow kind of forgot to give you girl a headband. Okay, this is a headband unit, but luckily I have so many headband units that I had enough headbands, girl. So right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This one does come with 2 combs. So it's 1 comb in the front, 1 comb in the back, and there is no adjustable straps, but it does have that little Velcro thing that, you know, that's on all headband wigs. It does have that. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to styling this wig. If you are interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is yet another headband wig, honey. You guys know I already told y'all, honey, we got lace shortages out here, okay, out here in these streets. So you're gonna see a lot of headband wigs. You're gonna see a lot of lace closure units. You're gonna see a lot of U-part wigs until, honey, all that's good and straightened out, okay? So we gotta work with what we got. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is the UNice Straight Human Hair Wig, Glueless Wig, Brazilian Virgin Hair Made Headband Wig. It's 150% density, and it is from the Bet U series. So it says 150% density plus free gifts. And you guys should have saw the free gifts at the beginning of the video where I showed you guys the eyelashes, the little bag of goodies, and the little sticker nails, all that good stuff. Let me see what else details they have. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the unit that they sent me is 26 inches long, and they do have this wig available from 14 to 26 inches. So it's it's a lot of hair, girl. So let me just make sure that I have the 26 inches. No, I have the 24 inch, child. Y'all, I'm already about to lie, girl. So I have it in 24 inches. So I'm just gonna give you guys a guesstimated price range. So if you get it in 14 inches, it's $77. And if you get it in 24 inches, which is the length that I have, is $198. Okay, so keep that in mind. And as I stated, it is in 150% density. That is the only density that they have available. And yeah, it looks like they have customers' pictures and stuff on here. I am going to just show you guys on the screen somewhere the pictures that they have, on the site. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that. And yeah, that's pretty much that. Now, as far as it shedding and tangling and all of that good stuff, honey, I don't get really straight wigs and that tangle. My straight wigs, if they tangle, girl, we got a problem straight off the bat. But yeah, this one does not tangle whatsoever, and I haven't noticed any shedding thus far. That doesn't mean that it doesn't tangle, or that it doesn't shed and won't at some point, but right now it isn't shedding. As I stated, the density is 150, so I'm just gonna kind of show you guys, like, this is all of the hair. It's long, and to me it feels good for 150. Like, sometimes 150 can come off, it can get away from being natural and just be freaking thin. Okay, so this one I feel like is natural, but it has like more, it has, it's pretty thick. It's not thick like abnormally thick, but it feels good for 150% density. Now, as far as big head friendliness with this wig, this unit doesn't have any adjustable straps back there. It only has that little headband thing that you can put on it. You know what I'm talking about, like the little Velcro thing. It doesn't have any adjustable straps. And I do feel like this one definitely leans more toward big head friendly than not. I have been getting a lot of wigs that, in my opinion, they're not really guava head friendly, girl. But this one is, like, in my opinion, you can, if you have a head that's on the bigger side of the spectrum, girl, you will be all right, honey. Okay, you can definitely make this one work. So yeah, that's how I feel about the unit as far as big head friendliness. And yeah, the company forgot to send me headbands, I think. Like, they sent me a whole bunch of baby hair scarves, but I didn't have any headbands. But luckily, I have a million headbands from the other headband units I have reviewed, so it wasn't an issue. So I just pulled out another headband. You can use whatever headband you want, girl. Like, it's no big deal. Like, any headband will do, okay? Any headband will get the job done. So yeah, that's pretty much that. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick length check, and then we can get into how I feel about this unit. Okay, so this is all of the hair brought to the front on me. Y'all keep in mind, I am 5'4", okay? So I'm not the tallest person on earth. And this is it in the back. I hope you guys can see it. So it is pretty long on me. Okay, y'all, so if you are interested in how I feel about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so honestly, y'all, I really like this wig. I wanted to review it because although I did review a straight wig, I didn't review a straight silky type texture. I reviewed a straight yaki texture, and y'all know your girl love a good yaki. But I do like a good straight wig, just a straight regular silky type texture wig as well. Like, you can't go wrong with those either. Granted, they're not going to look as natural as a yaki wig, but they're still good to have because, honey, they're easy to throw on, and it's an easy slay, honey. Okay, so yeah, it's easy to just, all I had to do was run my hot comb through it. I mean, not hot comb, child. All I had to do was run my flat irons through it, and it was a vibe. Like, it wasn't a whole lot that I had to do to it. So that is always a plus, honey. It's always a plus with me anyway, girl. It just is. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it is an entire look. Let me know what you guys think. All I had to use on this wig was this Demert wig and weave system hairspray. I've been using this because, child, I found out I had, and I'm like, girl, it's in there, I'm gonna use it. And I used my flat irons, and that is literally all that I had to do. So that is always a plus. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Do you own a straight textured headband wig? Do you own a headband wig in general? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And if you are interested in this wig, I will have, as I stated, a direct link down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much so. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.